Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Bigo Live account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to delete the Bigo Live account from your Android device, let's open up our Bigo app first. And after opening the Bigo app, the interface will be similar to this, where many of the people are currently live on Bigo. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the Me button available over there. Tap on the Me button. And after you get to this interface of your profile, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the settings icon or the gear icon just beside the profile icon. Tap on the settings icon like this. And over here on this interface, you can see the account management option available over here just below the block list. Tap on account management, and over here this is the account binding and security management. On this interface, scroll down, and under the category of account ownership, you can see the delete account, bolded delete account alphabets on the bottom of the screen with the arrow. Tap on that delete account. And after that, on this interface, you will be required to enter your password of your Bigo Live account over here. And after entering your password, tap on next, and you can see your account must match all these conditions in order to be deleted, and my account is matching all these terms and conditions of Bigo. And with that said, let's tap on confirm and continue on the bottom of the screen. And after that, you will be required to read all these agreements by the Bigo Live itself. And you can see that I have read and agreed the agreement of account deletion over here just above the delete account button. Tap on the icon like this over here where I'm tapping right now, and after the box has been checked, tap on delete account. And over here, if you tap on the delete account again, your account will be permanently deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your Bigo Live account from your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.